Let's close this file we've been working on and don't save changes. Then reopen layered.psd. By default, layers have a normal layer blending mode, meaning the top layer does not blend at all with lower layers. Now make sure you have the top layer selected, highlighted blue in the layers panel, and then click on what says normal, that's the layer blending mode, and select a few different layer blending modes to see the different effects it has. Some more popular ones used in photography include multiply, which blends layers and makes them look a little darker, screen, and lighten, which is a little bit lighter, as well as overlay. Click the layer blending mode and just press up and down on the keyboard to cycle through the various modes. And we can use this in conjunction with, for example, the opacity and fill as well. If we paint with the brush on a new layer, press the right and left bracket to resize the brush. By default, it covers up the pixels of the lower layers, but if we change the blending mode to color or overlay, it allows us to retain the texture of the lower layer but change the hue. This is one way to add makeup to a model, or how to colorize old black and white photos. So layer blending modes can be pretty useful in certain contexts of colorization or adding texture to a different photo. Next, we'll go over adjustment layers, which are a great way to add effects to an image that can be actively adjusted.